Once in Brokerloop Studio, let's click on Create Website on your dashboard. Then, choose between your listings. You can search by address or MLS ID. For this example, we will use 10 Bedford Street. Once selected, let's click on Create. Your website will be published by default. A window will appear, displaying information about your website. From here you can manage your site. By clicking Analytics, you can track your page views, users' information and more. You can review and edit your listing's information by clicking View Listing. You can unpublish your website by simply clicking No and saving your update. You can visit your listing website by clicking the URL link. We are all set. We just created a lead capture workflow for our listing with a microsite. No need to hire a designer to help you get the job done.